Select Kia vehicles feature Forward Collision Avoidance Assist 2, or FCA2, which is the second generation of this advanced driver assistance system. FCA2 uses a combination of a forward-facing camera and various radar sensors to help detect and monitor vehicles, pedestrians, and bicyclists ahead under clear conditions and warn the driver if a collision is imminent. If FCA2 detects such a hazard, a warning message will be displayed on the instrument cluster, a warning will sound, and braking assistance may be provided. FCA2 can also help provide a degree of braking and/or steering input. It can help prevent or minimize certain collisions if it detects oncoming vehicles while passing other vehicles, vehicles in front of you while changing lanes, and obstacles, pedestrians, or other vehicles in front of you while driving straight. Note that any condition that makes it hard for you to see, such as a hazard, can also limit the system's ability to. Read your owner's manual for a full explanation. To change FCA2 settings, press the Setup button to go to the vehicle settings on the infotainment system. Press Vehicle. In Driver Assistance, select Driving Safety. Here, you can turn on or off the various features, like forward safety. You can also set the timing for forward safety warnings from standard to late. You can turn on forward cross-traffic safety alert and forward side safety. Here's how to adjust the warning methods. In the Driver Assistant screen, press the speaker icon to take you to warning methods. Here, you can adjust warning volume, turn haptic warning on or off, and adjust other settings. For additional information, read your owner's manual. You can also refer to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or the Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching.